An all-new Defenders investigation tonight, finding a spike in workplace safety concerns connected to a growing number of coronavirus cases at local stores. So tonight, our team has learned that about 80% of workplace safety complaints are related to COVID-19, according to the North Carolina Department of Labor. It comes as Target confirms 2 cases at the store on Northlake Center Parkway. An employee there telling us he has safety concerns about how management responded. WCNC Charlotte Defender Alex Shabbat joins us now with what he's learning.
Well, we're hearing several safety concerns from the employee here in the Charlotte area, including not being notified quickly about the cases. But we've learned businesses are not required to do that. This text message highlights the battle for frontline workers during the pandemic. An employee says he received the text from Target last month after a coworker tested positive for coronavirus at this store.
I felt that it was best to, alert the public.
The employee, who asked we not show his face, told us the same store had another worker test positive in May.
It's kind of hard being there and just building up the courage to go into work because you never know who has it. Some people don't even show symptoms.
He tells us he first learned about the case in May from his coworkers, but it wasn't until several days later a manager notified him.
You've given me this decision to make a couple hours before I'm supposed to come into my shift.
But state health officials say employers are not required to let employees know about COVID-19 cases. The notifications are done through contact tracing.
When we have multiple confirmed cases and the public don't know about it, I think that's a real, morally a bad thing.
It's one of several cases of coronavirus at major chain stores. Just last week, an employee tested positive at a Food Lion in Rock Hill. Before that, there was a case at Publix in Fort Mill in May. And in April, an employee tested positive at Harris Teeter in Union County. With all the cases popping up, we did some digging and found a spike in workplace safety complaints. According to the North Carolina Department of Labor, 80% of the complaints are COVID-19 related, a total of nearly 1,400, about 500 of those considered valid. The employee we talked to says he's also concerned about the daily screening process, which the state does require employers to do.
Ask you questions before you officially clock into work, but that has sort of dipped down. It's almost rare.
Target sent us a statement saying they provide all team members with a health checklist to track and monitor symptoms before coming into work. The statement goes on to say, we've communicated directly with the team members who went into quarantine and are following all health department guidelines. Target says they also work quickly to deep clean and sanitize the store. The employee we talked to says because of his concerns, he went to get a COVID test. Fortunately, that came back negative. In South End, Alex Shabbat, WCNC Charlotte.